So just slap with a food back in a look buggy here where me rent, you know. It's something nice and simple, you know. Too much attention come at you. And thing. Alright. Well, I have a bigger up, you know. Well, I'm saying the place named Border, but you see it's a Kirk's, a Seafood Fridays by the Sea. Sea Cat. Sea Cat. I want him Sea Cat. But anyway, so it look like that is an event that is kept here, but they call it Border because it's at the border of St. James and Trelawney. So I'm coming out of St. James now. And about putting on my seatbelt, about to drive into Trelawney. I'm going to drive through Trelawney because my hotel is in St. Ann. So that is it for those of you who want to recognize a place when, if you should stop here, you know. And the food slap where, boy, I have to give thanks to them and thing because I was about to leave, you know. I didn't bring any cash with me. I mean, I have my cards or whatever, you know? So I didn't, you know, draw any Jamaican money yet, and but I go leave, and she said, nah man, I need food man, and when you're ready you come back, come pay me and thing. And so with a gesture like that, I know that I'm home, right? Because it's only Jamaica where the people them know Ragashanti. I'm gonna get them ratings there, you see me? Alright? So we give thanks. I am home. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yeah? Let me see how the traffic I'm still at. Oh, I'm busy. Can't really see behind me. Based on my position. Okay, after that white. Here we go. Alright. Okay, we're on the road again, man. And oh, see that place where they advertise Father Bull. Father Bull restaurant, things are going over there, so yeah. Yeah, some other places where I sell things, them more build up. I like the little spot where some people and I see over there, so you see it? Nice little vibes. People there come and see. Might them food. Yeah, Caribbean living. Jamaica vibes. You understand? Yo, when you don't say, you know, your crazy content I go run here, you know. So a man dressed up in a full suit in his sun out there. Alright. So, I'm a bun some. I want to go and say I'm a bun out that. Yeah. So, I have a look at driving ahead of me, you know. I take time should be in and why the man here overtake me also? Yeah. Some of the people that don't know more things are going to run as the days pass and I'm here and sitting again. Comes to you courtesy of the title sponsor for my content generating enterprise, which is Spector and Associates, your serious injury attorneys in New York City. Alright, 800-318-8888, 800-318-8888. You just call and ask Ragashanti if you get in an accident and you sustain an injury and you want to maximize your return and thing, you make the call 800-318-8888. Alright, but up on the road, you know, people. And I'm going to check in back, look more from this, alright? Manners and blessings, cool. Still driving. I think I'm still in Trelawney. And why people? Yeah, them say absence made the heart grow fonder, you know. And these are roads that I've traveled on probably thousands of times, you know. Working in media in, when I was here in Jamaica, and media and entertainment and thing. I've had reason to travel these roads on many occasions. And then, you know the usual, you hear, and it's nothing to you because you see it every day. And then, you know, you're away for a while. Years to be exact, well, that I've been away from Jamaica. You know, we have had experiences like COVID and all them something there and whatever, and you come back now, and it's just a drive is a joy. Sorry about my phone here. Remember I tell you, I forgot my car phone holder. So I'm driving carefully, but I'm holding the phone. So my apologies for the jerkings and things like that. But people, may I tell you, just a little drive, yeah, you know. You know, the peninsula a while, and just a little drive, yeah. It's a joy, man. And I'm particularly appreciative of the greenery. You know, because most of my time, when I was away, I was in either New York or Florida. I have to go upstate New York for kind of get some of these greenery when it's not winter. And certain Florida is primarily flatland, you know. This is nothing new in places like Georgia, though. If you go to Georgia, even in the metropolitan area of the Atlanta area, you see all this type of greenery, left, right, and center, you know. That's all I tell people, say Georgia remind me of Jamaica so much. But I'm back in Jamaica, the actual thing, the real thing, and yeah, I tell you, a while ago I drive and I say, boy, I feel good, you know. Feel good in my homeland, in my country, you know. In my country of birth. You know, I have to set it. I have to show it out and I have to set it. You see it? I will love you, so I don't care what go on in this. I still feel it, oh. Yeah, man, big up Jamaica, man. Big up beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. We are even a little drive in other countries. It's pleasurable and relaxing and comforting, and you know, you have a sense of you feel like you belong. Like you're there by your base. Your home. Yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy them days and things and just make some content for the item and things, see? Ragashanti style of content though, you know? A mixture of that earthiness, down to earthness, with some intellectualisms where we can learn something, right? A nice little blend, you know, that intersection between the organic and the intellectual, you know, that's what I'm about. All right, you're entering Bracco. I'm entering some place. Well, I don't know Bracco. You know Bracco from the hotel, you know. You have a famous Bracco hotel up here. Enough little things they go on in that hotel. And most uptown people something about you don't know. So and them say Bracco, you know, so we're still there at Trelawney, you know. Yeah, understand. Yeah, man, we used to regular them road there, man. Like, one time gone, you just go on it when you have a country, you know. But, again, when I did that work, I have to dip on them road, enough all over the country. Outside broadcast, a host dancehall session, a keep dancehall session, a keep parties, you know, all kind of thing, you know. Yeah, shot it, I go dancehall queen competition. celebration, some fest, all kind of sitting banana tree. Oh, you. We night thing, you know, people. Yeah, man, me have a look buggy here with my rent and I go par with. I go juggle with and thing, you know. Yeah. A look at time, I'm there. Bamboo Beach Club, Cabanas. There's a whole heap of new thing there, and I'm pass one place near Mukbang. Chinese, Jamaican, indigenous, this and that restaurant. A whole heap of little entrepreneurial activity are going about the place, you know. People them look how that's a pretty man. And what is that come up as now? Melia, Braco Village. Alright, Rio Bueno. That's Spanish for good river. Hotel Rio Bueno. Be a thing you go down on the road there. Apparently. So we're going up the hill now. When them say 80 kilometers. Have to watch the speed. Well, I come in at a fairly good time. Traffic full up road at Jamaica every day now, you know, but we come in at a fairly good time where, oops, sorry about that. Where the traffic not too bad on the road, you know. So hopefully we get in at my hotel and relax. And go on a show later. Even though I'm tired. Watch the ride. Walk on, Papa. Back up. Oh, that look out here. Oh yeah, we might well have to come out and go out there, but don't know, we can't come out here now. And I think we'll come near to St. Anya now, you know. If I remember correctly. No, that alien, you know. No, that alien, man. Well on. Rio Bueno, Jacksontown to your right. Anybody that watch this from Jacksontown, identify yourself right now. Alright, let me see how I go on this. No, me I try remember the place them, you know. See it here, Saint Anne. You see me? You see me right? You see me right? Go you Raga. Remember the something of them though. People. Discover Bay 9, Runaway Bay 16. I'm gonna go up at Discover Bay, you know. Right? I go up there. One of them there. Probably tomorrow too. And I want to make just show you some things and whatever. I know say unfortunately till this day that place, for those of you who've been listening to me, you know that I have a pet peeve about the importance and the subliminal impact of iconography, right? Signs, symbols, labels, and their meanings, you know, their subliminal effect, right? The way they collectively work on us. And, you know, other countries have always known the importance of this, you know, China, England, and whatever. You're surrounded by statues and symbols of excellence reflecting the cultural priorities of their national agenda, and you know what them want the people them to think, how them want the people them to develop, how them want the people them to grow. We still need to develop an appreciation for that, and some of our signatures that still prevail in our country, they do not serve our interests, right? So Discovery Bay, which was called Discovery Bay in honor of Christopher Columbus, who did not discover Jamaica, but it was propagated that he did. How they Soja Larry, right? We shouldn't have this place that's still called Discovery Bay. Right? You know, everybody's saying, oh, you have to discover somewhere when people are there before you. Right? So that story needs to be told with the right interpretation that serve our interests. That story needs to be told in a way that should honor the genocide that resulted from the people who Columbus came and saw at that location. Right? And it should be told in schools. Just like how other cultures, they tell their stories to their children from them I grew up. Our children should be learning those stories too, but learning the truth about those stories. Columbus did not discover Jamaica, and we shouldn't have a place, Discovery Bay Marine Laboratory and Field, Huey, something like that. See, this is the sign, man. Discovery Bay, you see? Right? That is in honor of Christopher Columbus to say he discovered Jamaica when he did not. You understand? You never see that sign there when we just pass, you know? It's a Columbus Park, you see it? Columbus Park. People I mean, I know some people look on them something there and say, what a big deal, who cares? After nobody don't notice that, but no, I'm telling you that these things act on you unconsciously. And when you see some people like certain things that is not in their interest, or not only not in their interest, but is also incrementally, you know, destructive to them. But them still embrace certain things. When look at something like them, the thing still the boat, and them grew up with them look at thing there where them ever said, nah, but I don't even notice that in a paint in the mind, but yeah, it have some impact on you. You grew up and you hear about Discovery Bay in honor of Christopher Columbus. I hear that thing them man. Bombard, Kite Fest still a go on, but don't see a poster for it. Don't see about, wow, this is nice. Them fix a port here, some man. Wow. This is nice. I like this one. That's a look good. I don't know what it is, man. I move fast. Oops. Hotel over there, so. Alright. Yeah, so let me take a look at your pose up to Discovery Bay. Tomorrow, I will have a look at reasoning about it and show another place and all these things, no? Ambulance, do your things. Stop Reggae, let through the ambulance, alright? Me see one beach. Oh yeah, I know what that. Oh, Puerto Rico, yeah. People them take over Puerto Rico, you know, Brownstone up there, so, you know. Alright? You know, you hold a right, you come from Mobile, so you hold a right, you go up a Brownstone. Puerto Rico beach, that's how we're in a Puerto Rico right now. Brownstone, the people don't know so that a second back of my country, you know, man. Second back of my country, I'm going to try go visit Seki too, you know. Somebody give Seki the link and tell her, say, Reggae in a place, you understand? And we need to link Seki. Seki I will charge you, you know. Yeah, my body here. So that billboard that said, just touchdown. Alright, yes, look active. Yeah. I juggler got through, so I just see that early out and just make you know, so boy, I did a whole little drive and a whole a medi, you know, I mean, I said, boy, this is nice. sweet, sweet Jamaica. You remember the Bounty, the Josie Whale song, sweet, sweet Jamaica, now left ya. Right? And some people say, yeah, but you left. Yeah, we left and we in another country, we in other countries, but we left in body, but we're not left in mind. We're not left out of the country. I want to say some people left out the country, some people done with Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. You have some people done with Jamaica and have nothing to do with Jamaica again. Some Jamaicans, you know. Some of them can't understand. Them go through some horrific, harrowing experiences and, you know, you just have to understand. Them just can't deal with it, you know. Some of the things that happen to them and some of the things that happen to them relatives and them loved ones, you know. And because of that, them just say them done. Yeah. But apart from that, you have some people who step up in their life and just say, yo, them done with Jamaica, Jamaica backward. Them not deal with Jamaica again, yeah. Ganja bliss. No, I'm going to check out that place there. I'm going to check out that place there. Ganja bliss. For research purposes though, research, and that's the thing there, alright? 9 Mile Reggae land. You are leaving Discovery Bay. Okay. Alright, so now remind me, we're going to check out that place, a Ganja Bliss. I don't know what it is. Sounds interesting though. Oh, and for the record, people, I am not, you know, don't believe me, it's like some little pothead type of thing. Nope. Not my thing. But, you know, some interesting things have been occurring with cannabis and ganja all over the world, the United States included, but definitely here in Jamaica too. And it has been the subject of much debate as, you know, the image and of marijuana is being relaxed. You know, the image of marijuana being like this absolutely awful, terrible thing is being relaxed in places all over. You know, we have oh, you see that car that burn out, me see the video, you know, when that car that burn out and people in it, you know, the accident there, you know. Yeah, John, we just pass it. Yeah, marijuana. Well, we in Jamaica, you know, it was never that crazy as it is for some people, you know. Well, it has been a mixture because many Jamaicans believe ganja mad, yo. Yeah, the ganja we must smoke and that make him get mad. But at the same time, we use ganja for all kind of something. Whole heap of things we use ganja for. Ganja tea. I don't know, so you have like a little ganja coffee thing. We're entering Runaway Bay now. Hold on, I'm going to have to stop this video, yeah? I probably can't deduce why, but I'm going to stop a video. Uh-oh.